Welcome to the Doc Lounge podcast, powered by Pacific Companies, your go-to partner for locum tenens and permanent healthcare careers. Let's get started.
You are the medical director at HydroHeal, which is, pioneering molecular hydrogen therapy. Tell us, what exactly is this?
The best thing to do is kind of explain a little bit on how it works on a cellular level, because there's about 1,200 peer-reviewed studies out there on molecular hydrogen. About 200 of them are human studies, but those studies show that it has a positive effect on 170 plus common diseases. So to understand why it has a positive effect on all diseases and all conditions that we research, is we need to understand how it works on our biology, physiology, how it works on a cellular, even mitochondrial level. So the first thing is, if you remember from school, hydrogen is the first element on the periodic table. It only has one electron, one proton. So it's the lightest element and the most abundant element in the universe. Now, molecular hydrogen is different. Molecular hydrogen is hydrogen gas. It's two hydrogen atoms in a covalent bond together, which is a strong bond. But it makes it neutral. It makes it non-polar. So there's no charge to molecular hydrogen. And because it's the smallest element and it has no charge, it easily can cross the cell membrane and enter the cell where most diseases start, including cancer. This also easily can cross the blood-brain barrier and enter the brain and our neurons and the brain cells, which, as we know in conventional medicine, medicines are therapies or medicine that works in the body. Often we cannot get into the brain, and so we still are far behind when it comes to trying to help with neurodegenerative diseases. So the first thing to understand, it is very small, it is not charged, and it can get into the brain, it can get into the cell, into the mitochondria. So according to all that research, it's a selective antioxidant, meaning it neutralizes those free radicals that we always talk about. But unlike other antioxidants like vitamin C, D, etc., again, it can do that inside the cell. Vitamin C cannot go in the cell and do that. And it says selective. That means it will neutralize harmful free radicals like hydroxyl free radicals and peroxynitrate within the cell, because those are the ones causing severe oxidative damage, which then also could damage the DNA and also the mitochondrial DNA. So it neutralizes those, but it keeps the beneficial ROS, reactive oxygen species. It spares those because we know we need those, part of our immune system, but it also is important in cellular signaling, cellular homeostasis. Number two, it's a strong anti-inflammatory. It stimulates the NRF2 pathway. It reduces pro-inflammatory cytokines like TNF-alpha, tumor necrosis factor alpha. It reduces all our interleukins, 1 alpha, 1 beta, 6, 8, 10, and the list goes on. So we have the top two, powerful antioxidant and strong anti-inflammatory. And in the medical field, we know that those two are basically the cause of all disease, right?